Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your font size in your Gmail app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so let's open up Gmail. So you can see my font size in Gmail is this size here. So now to change the font size in Gmail, what we need to do is head back and then click onto your settings, into settings. Now from here, navigate downwards and look for display. So go ahead and click into display and then scroll down again, and where it says font size and style, click into that. And now at the bottom of the page you will see my font size is on the third to left. So to change the size, so if I want it smaller, I'll move it to the left. If I want it bigger, I'll move it to the right. So if I want large font, I will leave it like that, and then simply you'll see it change on screen here. And if I go back to Gmail, you will see my font size will be a lot bigger here, like so. If I go onto my email, you will see the font size here has increased as well.